They out here getting robbed by the duck geese. My squad out here, you know, don't fuck with us. Fuck your setup, fuck your camp up. They always be showing love. I appreciate these birds in hand, brand partnerships. Just trying to show the good in the world. You guys are a part of it. They treating you all right here? Yeah. You the chef, right? You say yeah. 144 right there. That's powerful. We out here, man. It's heavenly burger, right? And how it loves you. Dreams, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. Clark.